Guys, so welcome to my channel. So now we are at in the Philippines. There's a view from the, our bedroom window. So where I'm staying currently. So this is the Avida Southfield Settings, located in the south of Manila. So this one is quite a new place. So I just want to show you around what you can find in this subdivision, or a village, if you want to call it. So let's go down. So now, if you can hear, it's a bit windy here, and the air is quite cool. Temperature is around 20, 21 C. So in the Philippines, it's quite cool at that temperature. So you're seeing a mountain from this area. That's Mount Makiling. Yeah, really windy. It's very quiet. Usually the houses here are non-gated and with birds. Sky is really blue. Let's walk around and see what we can see here. So it's quite a windy day, really, and it's quite cool. The temperature is really nice. It's been raining the past few days, so today I managed to get a good weather, so we can walk around and I'll show you the place. So if you want to invest here in this country and you want to buy a real estate, so this is one of the nice places you can buy. So this subdivision is located in the community, so there's a lot of subdivisions within the area, and yeah, depending on your budget, you can buy those more expensive ones with a bigger plot of land, or you can buy a small one. So those barbed wires are actually electrified, so no one from the outside can go in, or they'll get electrocuted. So let's take this right turn. Yeah, so it's quite a high wall, so that outsiders are kept outside the subdivision. The price here is, I mean, for an average Filipino, is quite expensive, but it's really a nice community. You have the roads are quite wide. Yeah, that's Mount Makiling. And then if you would look at the other side, which I don't know if you can see, there's a ridge over there behind it, behind those houses. That's Tagaytay. So Tagaytay is also a tourist destination. So if you are able to go there, the temperature could be lower, perhaps around 18 or 17 C. Yeah. Yeah, I'm enjoying the walk here. Really peaceful. Yeah. I hope you're enjoying the scenery too, as much as I do. Yeah, there's quite a few houses already. wind is non-stop, but it gives you a cool breeze, so it's okay. This one is under construction. So, okay, I think I'll pause here for a while and then we'll continue on the next video. We'll try to get to the community house or the clubhouse. Again, see you. Thank you for watching and bye.